The video you're watching right now shows the moments a man trapped under a mountain of rubble was finally pulled free. Louisville fire crews rescued the construction worker around 8:30 last night, more than 8 hours after he became trapped. The man was working at the former community correctional facility downtown, which is being demolished. The fire chief says the man fell into a void space on the site and that he's never seen anything like it. WHAS 11's Ian Hardwick shows us how challenging the rescue was for the department.
It's the moment they waited all day and night to see. Pulled 10 feet out of the ground. The time, 8:26, after hours underground.
I've never seen anything like this.
He's alive. The construction worker Louisville held its breath for. Covered in concrete dust, carried out by the Louisville Fire Department, he made his way off the job site, into an ambulance, and right around the corner to University Hospital, where his family waited.
Basically, a floor gave way beneath them, so that collapsed. They fell down into an area, and then all kinds of rubble and dirt and rock completely buried this individual.
Here's a photo from Deputy Mayor David James taken by an overhead drone right after the man went into the hole. In the middle of your screen, that yellow helmet is his head. Rescuers believe that helmet created an air pocket, the reason he survived. Now look here, after hours of digging, that helmet was still on. Throughout the day, after the 11:40 a.m. concrete landslide, firefighters worked carefully, bucket by bucket.
And we're having to slowly dig it out by hand, because every time you move some small bit, you have more stuff that's falling in. Think about a person at the base of a funnel, and that funnel just keeps pouring things down onto them.
And as the rescue drew to a close, rescuers sucked the rubble out with heavy equipment from MSD. The fire department also used propane and blowers, pumping heat down to the trapped man. The whole time conscious, the worker actually dug himself out too.
He was able to talk through with us, but yeah, he was in a lot of pain. This was a pretty severe accident.
Ian Hardwick, WHAS 11, on your side.
We'll continue to work to learn more about how the man is doing this morning. The fire chief says he would be assessed at the hospital. Downtown, a lot of people looked on during the rescue. Tiant Wyatt watched from the top floor of a nearby parking garage. He said he related to the man, telling us a normal day at work can turn into anything. He also prayed for the moment crews would rescue him.
It forms a sense of unity for me in the community of Louisville when we all come together for this person, and when this person comes out, I'll leave. For me to be here and send as many prayers as I can, hope for his safety, this is the least that I feel like I can do. I don't know this person, but I hope and pray that this person will be okay.
You can watch the unedited video of the rescue on the WHAS 11 YouTube page.